That's it. Tuck jump yan, tuck jump. Yes, that's it. Forty seconds. Control para hindi mapagod. Di kailangan mabilis. Kailangan lang ng proper execution. Yan lang dyan. Technique. That's it. Nag-dragon boat ka pala, Christian? Open nyo lang yung legs nyo. Hiwalay nyo lang. Para makatalon kayo. Yan. Makatalon kayo ng proper. Yan. Lahat na yan. Movement yan. Upper, lower. Twenty seconds. Okay, makakagawa pa kayo ng mga tatlo niyan. Tatlo or apat. Ten seconds. Yeah. Oh, 5 seconds. Isa pa. Kaya pa. 1 round.